Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting for like a long time. I don't know how much days or weeks. I don't know. Today I've been collecting some squishies, like a lot. Well, maybe not that much, but like a little bit. And I have them in a jar. And I got some at Walmart, and I got one at Walgreens. I got the rest at Walmart at the party section for $5. And my mom got me this one. I'm not going to show, even though I just showed you guys one. So yeah, let's get on to the video. The next one is this one. It's scented like banana bread. Okay, I'll be right back. I needed one little thing. Okay guys, never mind about that. So now we only have like 4 more to show you guys. This is going to be a short video. Then I wanted to show you guys $2 from each bookshelf, and then a little drawing that I drew. I think it looks, I like it. I like the drawing. So the next one we have is this blue Hatchimal. Also, we got this at Walmart for $5. The banana one is the one that we got at Walgreens, and I don't know how much it cost. Okay, so this is the blue one. The next one is this other blue one. Also at Walmart for $5. And we got these at the party section, all of them. Oh. Sorry. The next one is this purple Hatchimal. We have another purple one, but I don't know where it's at. I think it's somewhere in my room. The last one we have is this LOL one. It's Diva Queen Bee, I think. Also at Walmart for $5. So I'm going to put them back in this jar. If you're wondering where the banana one and Roxy went, I gave them to my sister because she wanted to use it. Okay, so I'm going to show you all the 3 books from 2 bookshelves. So my favorite book is Wonder, and these 2 Dork Diaries, and these 2 Dork Diaries. So the first one is Dork Diaries and the Secret Crush. I don't know what that says, but this one. The next one is Dork Diary, A Not So Fabulous Life. And the last one is Wonder. I love the movie also. I love the movie and the book. So the next 3 books from the... Oh, sorry, they're making a fork right there. Next one is the 3 books from the next shelf. It's gonna be this one. I love you. Where's this? Can you give me the shelf? Okay, so it's Dogman. It just says Dogman. I'll Always Love You. That was my childhood favorite one, and it still is. And Pinkalicious and the Emerald Diamonds. Now, the last one. No, not the last one. Now for the last thing, the drawings. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you guys might like this. Just do it for fun. It is this. I need to cut it out. I don't know. Comment down below if I should cut it out. So basically, that is it for this video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. Bye. How do you stop this? Bye. Bye.